Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to reinstall Pop! OS. Now, we haven't reinstalled Pop! OS many times before, so this should be pretty easy. So, you're going to want to go to the Pop! OS website, Pop! OS, or you can also install Pop! OS if you want to. System76.com/pop, which is Pop! OS. Oh, Pop! OS 24 is in beta. Okay, Pop! OS beta. But let's just choose the regular one. I think I'll just choose the regular one. Download. Okay. Oh, you can get it for Raspberry Pi 4. That's pretty cool. Okay, anyways, you go to here for your computer or virtual machine if you want to. You can basically do that. Once you get that, we can save the file. I'm going to be putting it in my documents folder. As you can see, the download will completely install. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, I'll set the sidebar over here. So, I'll see you guys when it's done. For now, I'll just watch YouTube in my sidebar. Yee! Alright, now as you can see, my download has loaded. So now we can use our USB image flasher. On Windows, I recommend Rufus. On macOS, I would recommend Balena Etcher. Wait, is Balena Etcher actually on macOS? Let me see. Just real quick. Is it on? Oh yeah, it's on everything. Windows, macOS, and Linux. But for Linux, I just recommend like a regular flasher. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Okay. For Windows, I would recommend Rufus. For macOS, I would recommend Balena Etcher. And for Linux, I would recommend just something like Popsicle USB flasher or just a regular one. I personally use USB image writer, just literally called that. Okay. Okay. We can get Pop! OS. Alright, there we go. Okay, now we need to select the device. So let me plug a USB drive into this computer. I'm going to plug in a previous USB drive because why not? Let's see. Okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Now plugs in the USB drive. USB drive, yeah. 31 gigabytes. Okay. Then you would basically just click right. Type in my password. Alright, there we go. Okay. Boom. Now we've typed in our password. We can wait for a bit for this thing to write, and I'll see you guys when the thing is flashed USB anyways. But I'm gonna be using a virtual machine since I don't want to modify any of my personal computers. So for that, you can just watch the video of how to get into your BIOS, and I can, yeah. So basically, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to VM. For me, for a computer, you're gonna want to go to the BIOS. For me, on a virtual machine, I'm gonna go to VMware. Just make like a regular virtual machine. I will use the ISO image I just made because why not? Now, okay. Which operating system to be installed? Well, it could be Linux, 126-64-bit. Okay. 126-64-bits, and you can, I don't care what memory, whatever it is, because bro, we're just trying to make a virtual machine. Okay, so while you're just relaxing, you can just wait for this to load. And at some point, PopOS can load. Come on. I have a bit of a cold, that's why I keep doing a thing. Okay, and there we go. Now we're at the installation screen. So as you can see, we have a thing on the dock of install PopOS. Gonna want to wait for that to respond. Come on. Respond, it's just a virtual machine. Come on! Respond! Jesus Christ, respond. Respawn. Okay, there we go. Okay, select English, United States. Okay. I don't care. Okay, select. I don't care! Please! Shut the hell up. Right. Screw it. Okay, clean install. Boom, and there you go. You can select the drive, which would be this. Erase and install. Now you can set your name. Set this to fart. But actually, Capybara. Keeps like giving me crap. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. One. Okay. Don't encrypt. Boom. Okay, and as you can see, it will install. And boom, once you finally get there, you can finally, once we finally get here, we're installing PopOS onto the drive we selected. Or you could do a custom install in like dual boot or something. So yeah, that is how you install PopOS. I'm so tired of this, I'm going to power off this virtual machine completely, ruin the installation. Now that I did that, the installation was bricked. Because I don't care about this virtual machine, so screw off. Okay, remove, delete from disk. Thank you. So there we go. Now as you can see, we finally have it.